Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and customize form notifications for your site's contact forms. You can choose to receive email notifications each time a user fills out and submits a form on your WordPress site. These notifications can contain important details like the entry information a user submits through your contact form and more. We're going to go over two topics: how to set up your form's notifications and how to customize the email template they arrive in. With that said, let's jump right in. From your WordPress dashboard, go into WPForms and select the form you'd like to set up notifications for. Once you're inside the form builder, click on the Settings tab on the left and click on the Notifications tab. Notifications are enabled by default, but they may not be configured exactly the way you need them to be, so it's important to go through your notification settings before going live. For example, you may want email notifications to go to a specific email address, but by default, they're configured to be sent to your WordPress site's admin email address. So let's go through each notification field to find out what they do. In the Send to Email Address field, enter the email address that notifications will be sent to. This is automatically set to your website's admin email address. You can write in as many email addresses as you want in this field, just be sure to separate each one with a comma. You can also send users a copy of this notification if you'd like. To do that, you can use the Email Field Smart Tag. Click on the Show Smart Tags text on the right corner of the field and select Email. This will automatically add the smart tag for the corresponding email field in your form, so that this notification will also be sent to whatever email address the user entered in the form. In the email subject line, write in what you'd like the email notification subject line to be. In the From Name field, write in whatever name you'd like these email notifications to be sent from. In the From Email field, write in the address that the notifications will be sent from. The Admin Email Smart Tag will be in this field by default, but you can change it to whatever you'd like. If you enter an email address that doesn't match your site's domain, you may see the following warning appear. Notifications from your site may still be delivered even if the From email doesn't match your site's domain, but some email service providers might flag them as spam or block them entirely. If you run into this problem, you can use a plugin like WP Mail SMTP to fix it. Be sure to check out wpmailsmtp.com for more information. If you'd like to receive replies to the notification, enter the email address they'll be sent to in the Reply To field. Finally, in the Email Message field, you can manually write in a message that will be included in the body of your notification. Currently, the Email Message field contains the All Fields Smart Tag. This means that a copy of all the fields and answers that a user filled in the form will be included in the message portion of the email notification. You can customize the notification's content even further by adding any additional text, smart tags, or even HTML and inline CSS directly in the email message field. You can also optionally apply conditional logic to the email notification in a scenario where, for example, you only want the email notification to be sent if certain conditions in the form are met, like the user checked a particular box on your form. You can also set it up so that the notification will not be sent if a user made a particular selection. In the Advanced section, you'll find the following three settings. The Email Template dropdown allows you to select from any of the available template options for this form's notifications. Click on the View Templates link to see the available options, 3 of which are available to users who have a WPForms Pro license or higher. If you'd like to see what your email will look like in any one of these styles, click on the Preview button. This will open your email notification in a new tab. You can customize the email template even further, but we'll get to that shortly. The Enable File Upload Attachments toggle will allow any files that are uploaded to a form by the user to be included in email notifications as an attachment. Normally, uploaded files aren't included as attachments in the notification because, depending on the file size, it can affect their deliverability and result in either the notification being sent to spam or not being sent at all. The Enable Entry CSV Attachment setting will create and include a CSV file copy of the form entry as an attachment in the notification. When you've finished configuring your notification settings, be sure to click on the Save button at the top of the page. As previously mentioned, you can further customize the email template to include things like a header image and a custom background color, so let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and go into the Settings page of WPForms. Click on the Email tab at the top of the page. Here you'll find the email templates we previously saw, along with some additional settings which we'll go over. Keep in mind that these specific settings will be applied to all email notifications for your forms. If you selected a different template style from within the form builder for a specific form, then that will override your template selection on this page. The appearance setting lets you choose between either light or dark mode for your email notifications. Please keep in mind that customers whose device is already set to dark mode will view the notification in dark mode by default. You can add a header image or logo that will be displayed above the notification and can even customize the size depending on your needs. You can also change the template's background color and select any custom color you'd like by using the built-in color picker tool. The color scheme controls are available to WPForms Pro users and allow you to customize the template's background color, the template's body color, the text color, and the color of any links that may appear in the notification. In the typography dropdown, you can select which font family will be used in the notification emails. Currently, you can choose between sans serif and serif. Once you've finished configuring your template settings, click on the Save Settings button at the bottom of the page, and you're all set. You now know how to set up and customize your form notifications. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be a part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra technical help, please visit our contact page and reach out to our support team.